Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I believe that the ProTuff 22-inch pool brush is absolutely the best and last pool brush you will ever have to own. So what do you say we dive right in? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It's going to come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. It's been over a year since I did my first product review on this brush from ProTuff, and as promised in that video, I said I would do a follow-up video after using the product for about a year to let you know what I think of it, and do I still think as highly as I did when I first got a hold of it. The short answer is yes, I do, but I want to explain to you 3 reasons why I think this is still the best and last pool brush you will ever have to buy. Reason number 1 is their unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty for residential pool owners, and if you're a commercial pool service provider, they give you a 50% unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty. What that means is, as a residential pool owner, if you're a typical homeowner, you own a pool, if you buy this product, if any part of it wears out, let's say one of the ends like this wears out, they'll replace it absolutely free. If they can't replace the part, they will replace the entire product absolutely free for life. For life. And again, lifetime warranties are only as good as the product company stays in business. This company's been in business for over 12 years. Their customer service is unparalleled and unmatched. So again, they stand by their products, and I've had no problems with this. And again, if you need something replaced, they take care of it really easily. No questions asked. So that's reason number 1. All right, reason number 2 is this little thing right here. See those little pieces right there, those little 2 tabs? This is their quick release clips. And I love these things. These are like industry leading. I've never seen these on a pool product, whether it's a brush or a net or anything, but I like it so much. Rather than having these little things that you have to push in, slide into the pole, and get your skin and fingers pinched so often, you pinch these 2 right here, these 2 compress, you slide into the pole, release it, drop it in, and it locks right in place. This thing is fantastic. I'll tell you what, this has saved my fingers and my skin from being pinched. It makes it so much easier to put the tool into and take it out of the pole without fighting it. Sometimes when you take it, when you have the old ones, you have to push it and twist the unit and twist the tool to get it out. This makes it so easy. This has literally saved me so much time when I service pools. That is reason number 2 why I like this brush so much. And reason number 3 is its adaptability. So if you notice these curved ends on this brush, all right, typically when you buy a brush, you got to make a decision. Either you buy a brush that has the curved ends, or you buy it without the curved ends, so it ends up as a flat brush like this. Different preferences for different people. But you had to buy an individual brush for each of those uses and figure out if you liked it or not. And then if you bought one let's say you bought one with a curved end like this, and you're like, it just took too long, it's too hard to pull through the water, it creates too much drag, I don't like it. Well, you're stuck with that brush, you have to buy a new one. This one is adaptable. It allows you to either use it with the curved ends, or you can take them off as it shows like this. And for me, I prefer it like this, honestly. And in this configuration, it's 18 inches. With the ends on, it's 22 inches. Now, here's why I like this better for me. My preference is this. Because I do about 20 to 24 pools a day, 5 days a week. Because I'm doing that many pools, it's any additional drag that I put on my products, on my tools, causes me to have to spend a lot more effort and a lot more energy. And when you're out here in the Arizona sun, for 5-6 hours a day, it will wear you out really quickly. And I'm getting older, and so it really wears my shoulders out. So the less drag I can have on my pole, the better it is for me. So when I take these off, it creates less drag. There's less resistance, and this brush moves through the water so nice and so easy, almost effortlessly as far as I'm concerned. But if you do prefer the ends on there for a little bit more brush, then you can put them on. One thing to keep in mind is these ends can be removed if you don't like them and you don't prefer them. And you can try it either way. Try it with the ends on, try it with the ends off. But one thing to keep in mind is these ends have this little pin that slides in. I'll show you. Slides into, see that hole right there? It slides into the end of the brush, and then this pin locks into place. Now, if you notice that pin, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little bit rusty. And I found that when it got a little rusty, because I tried it, again, I used it for about 6 months with this in, and then it comes with these little push tabs that go right into the side of the brush in here. You pull them out, and you can push on the other side of the brush. You can push it through, and it'll pop that pin out, and you can slide it out. Now, I noticed that with the rust, it was really hard to push through. I ended up breaking off this little tab into the little slot. So then I had to go in and get like a small Phillips head screwdriver and just tap it, and it got it free for me. So again, just know that these little push pins over time will get brittle just because of use, and they're not going to be as strong and sturdy. So if you do decide that you're going to pop that off and not use it, or you're going to replace this if you need to, you're going to want to make sure that you use something a little sturdier than this in order to push that pin out to release it. All right, so keep that in mind. So folks, that is my 3 reasons on why I think the ProTuff 22-inch pool brush is the best and last pool brush you'll ever have to own. Hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video. Or if you'd like, you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen right here. As always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. If you decide that you want to order one of these brushes, I will put a link in the description below this video so you can do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please check out my membership channel, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.